Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Friedel-Crafts acylation is an electrophilic aromatic substitution (EAS) reaction. CH3COCl-Cl3 generates the acetylium electrophile CH3CO+, which attacks the aromatic ring of the indene substrate. Step 1. Identify the substrate. The starting material is 5-tert-butyl 1,1-dimethylindene. The benzene ring of the indene is fused to a cyclopentane ring with gemdimethyl at C1. The tert-butyl group is at C5 of the benzene ring. Step 2. Identify directing effects. The indene benzene ring has two substituents that direct EAs. I. The C1 gemdimethyl cyclopentane ring junction connects at C3A and C7A positions. The ring fusion makes C3A and C7 the junction carbons. The alkyl ring fusion activates the ring and directs ortho-para to the C-to-C bonds at the junction. 2. The tert-butyl group at C5 is an ortho-para director, activating. Step 3. Available positions. The benzene ring positions are C4-C5, blocked by TBU, C6 and C7, C3A and C7 are ring junction carbons, not available. So electrophilic attack can occur at C4, C6 or C7. Step 4. Determine the most activated position. The tert-butyl group at C5 directs ortho to C4 and C6 and para to C2, which is a ring junction blocked. The ring junction at C7A, bearing the gemdimethyl cyclopentane, directs ortho-para, ortho to C7 is C7 and C1, junction, blocked, para to C7 is C4. The ring junction at C3 directs ortho-para, ortho to C3 is C4 and C2, blocked junction, para to C3 is C6, actually C7A, blocked, so C4 is activated by C3 ortho. C4 is activated by ortho to tert-butyl, C5, ortho to C3 a ring junction. Both directing effects converge on C4. C6 is activated by ortho to tert-butyl and ortho to C7 a ring junction, but C6 is between two bulky groups, TBU at C5 and ring junction at C7A, making it sterically hindered. C4 receives cooperative activation from both the tert-butyl group, ortho, and the C3 a ring fusion, ortho, and is less sterically hindered than C6. Step 5. Steric consideration. C6 is flanked by the tert-butyl group, C5, and the C7 a ring junction, making it more sterically crowded. C4 is flanked by tert-butyl, C5, on one side and only a hydrogen at the ring junction side, C3A, making it more accessible. Step 6. Major product. Acylation occurs at C4, placing the acetyl group, COCH3, at C4 adjacent to the tert-butyl group at C5 on the same side as the 5-membered ring junction, C3A. This corresponds to option C. Why other options fail? A. Places acetyl at C6, which is sterically hindered between TBU and the ring junction. B. Places acetyl at C4 but drawn with a different orientation. Examining carefully, B. Shows the acetyl between the tert-butyl and the ring junction on the cyclopentane side but attached differently, appears to show acylation adjacent to C7 rather than C3A. D. Places acetyl at C7, which is only ortho to C7 a ring junction but meta to tert-butyl, not the most activated position. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.